Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes with H&R Block. First, decide if you will use their online software or visit one of their many offices for in-person help. If filing online, create a new account or log into your existing one. H&R Block offers various product tiers, from free for simple returns to paid options for more complex situations, like investments or self-employment. Next, it's crucial to gather all your necessary tax documents. This includes income statements like your W-2s from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. You will also need your Social Security number and a valid form of identification. Don't forget to collect records for potential deductions and credits, such as mortgage interest or charitable contributions, to maximize your refund. Once your documents are ready, you'll begin entering your information into the H&R Block software. The program uses an intuitive interview-style process, guiding you with questions about your filing status, income, and expenses. You can often import W-2s and even prior year returns from other services. For other details, like certain deductions or rental income, you will manually type in the information as prompted. Finally, it's time to review your completed tax return. H&R Block provides an accuracy check to help identify any potential errors or missed deductions. Carefully confirm your estimated refund or the amount of taxes you owe. Once satisfied, you can securely e-file your federal and state returns directly through the software. Remember to save a copy for your records after successful submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.